Ladies and gentlemen, Julie Ann San Jose. Halika dito, Julie. Samahan mo kami. Ako, Julie. Ikaw na talaga. Hi! Maagang Christmas gift to para sa'yo, Julia. Maagang Christmas gift.
Oh, ito, flowers
for you.
Thank you. Pero yung maagang Christmas gift, Judy, alam mo ba yung sinasabi namin? Aware ka ba that your album, Deeper, just turned diamond, guys? Wow! 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 Julianne, ka-level mo na si Mr. Jose Marichan, who was the first one ever to receive a Diamond Award.
And to present your award, may we call in the chairman of PARI, Attorney Marivic Benedicto. Congrats, Julie Diamond! Grabe, ang sa'yo ng mga fans mo. Ayan si Attorney.
Hello, Julianne! Hi! Surprise! I'm very honored on behalf of the Philippine Association of the Recording Industry to award this 1 million carat diamond award to Julianne for your, parang ito pa lang yung pangatlo or pang-apat na binigay namin na diamond award sa buong history talaga ng PARI. And I'd also like to invite everyone to go to Resorts World on Friday, December 12, 2014 for the 27th Awit Awards. Congratulations!
Congratulations, Julie. As you can
Please
see,
don't cry.
tears of joy. I'm sure, Julie, marami kang gustong pasalamatan.
Yes! This is your chance. Go.
Yes,
Thank you
your
ka na sa
chance.
kanila.
Actually, wala. I'm running out of words. Seriously, una-una po sa lahat, gustong pasalamat po kay Lord sa lahat po ng mga blessings na binibigay niya po sa akin. Sa lahat po ng mga tao nagmamahal sa akin. Sa pamilya ko po, sa mga kaibigan ko, sa GMA, for taking good care of me for several years. And of course, sa lahat po ng mga sponsors ko, sa mga endorsements ko po, thank you so much. And most especially po sa aking mga minamahal na supporters. Hindi niyo po alam kung gaano niyo po ako napapasaya. And basta salamat po na marami kasi nandyan po kayo palagi po para sa akin. And hindi ko po makakamit itong diamond status.
Diamond!
Diamond, guys.
Hindi dahil
Grabe.
sa kanila.
Yes, and of course, Pari, thank you po so much.
Congrats!
Ito na, Julie. Malapit na yung concert mo. Ilang araw na lang, di ba?
Yes,
Okay, promote mo na sa kanila yan.
I'm inviting everyone to please do watch and support my upcoming concert on December 13 sa SM Mall of Asia Arena na po yan. And I hope you guys enjoy the show.